Thanks, Herman. Now, there is some disturbing news out of St. Mary. Thieves made off with dozens of care packages, which was destined to communities currently in quarantine. Now, the Ministry of Labour and Social Security confirmed the incident, which happened on Saturday. Prince Moore reports.
Since the 14-day quarantine was imposed on sections of St. Mary, the complaints have all been the same.
Food, my cousin, my niece, and my neighbor, we are dead for hunger, want food.
From yesterday morning, we wake up, we can't get to move up and down. See it now, we are get pushed out again. Some people have to go in and they don't get what they want.
Days later, help came from the Social Security Ministry, which delivered care packages to residents in the communities. While assistance was being provided, it appears some persons had their own agenda. It's being reported that several packages were stolen from the workers. Permanent Secretary in the Social Security Ministry, Colette Roberts-Risden, says the workers were not hurt during the incident.
But the workers were pounced upon by unscrupulous men in the area and stole a few care packages. One of our staff did get into an altercation with one of the persons, but thank God that nobody was injured.
TVJ News has learned that residents are now concerned about how they will be affected going forward. But Mrs. Roberts-Risden says the teams are now being assisted by the Jamaica Defense Force.
The team will complete today the households in the quarantine area. Tomorrow, the team will begin trying to assist other households who are not necessarily in the quarantine area, but are in need of assistance. Those households would be households close to the quarantine.
Mrs. Roberts-Risden says more than 1,000 care packages have so far been delivered in the 3 St. Mary communities under quarantine. Prince Moore, TVJ News.